Tomo can approve people without a hard credit pull, while Petal is better known for growing with you after approval. That's the real difference. By the end of this, you'll know which card makes more sense if you have no credit, bad credit, or just want the easiest way to start building. Quick answer first. If your main goal is getting approved without relying heavily on your credit file, Tomo usually has the edge. If you want a more traditional unsecured card with better long-term value, Petal usually wins. Start with the approval process. Tomo built its system around cash flow instead of only credit history. That means it can look at your bank activity, income patterns, and spending habits. For someone with no score at all, that's a big advantage. Petal does something similar by considering banking data too, but it still feels closer to a normal credit card underwriting process. So if you're brand new to credit, Tomo often feels easier. Now the costs. This is where both stand out. Neither card is known for the heavy annual fees you see with many bad credit cards. That matters because some starter cards can charge annual fees right away while giving you only a few $100s in available credit. Tomo and Petal both avoid that setup. That keeps more of your credit line usable. Now look at how they work. Tomo is more structured. It can require frequent payments tied to spending activity, which helps keep balances low. That's good for utilization, but it also means more hands-on management. Petal works more like a normal credit card. You spend, get a monthly statement, and pay it like standard revolving credit. That's easier for most people to understand. Now, the long-term side. Petal usually wins here. Petal cards can offer cashback and stronger long-term usefulness once your credit improves. Tomo is stronger as an entry tool. Petal is stronger as a card you may actually keep. So who should you pick? Go with Tomo. If you have zero credit history and want the easiest no hard pull style entry point, go with Petal if you want to build credit and keep the card useful beyond the first year. Quick recap. Tomo is easier to start. Petal is easier to grow with. Your next step is simple. Check both pre-qualification options and compare how each one handles approvals and payments. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more no-fluff credit card breakdowns.